In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to the iPhone app using widgets and the share sheet. This will enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow, so let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Notion app installed on your iPhone. It's important to always keep your apps updated to enjoy new features and improvements. You can check for updates by visiting the App Store, searching for Notion, and seeing if an update is available. Once that's done, open the Notion app on your iPhone. You'll want to ensure you're signed into your account. Enter your login credentials and let the app load your workspace. Having your workspace ready is crucial as it's what you'll access from your widgets and the share sheet. To set up Notion widgets, go to your iPhone's home screen and tap and hold on an empty space until your apps start to jiggle. Tap the plus sign in the upper left-hand corner to open the widget menu. Scroll through the widget options or use the search bar at the top to find Notion. Once you've found it, tap on it to see the widget options available. Swipe through the different Notion widget options. You'll notice various sizes and functionalities tailored for your Notion needs, such as displaying notes or quickly accessing databases. Choose the widget that best fits your requirements, then tap Add Widget to place it on your home screen. You can then drag it to your desired location and press Done to save its position. This widget allows you easy access to your Notion pages with just a quick glance or a tap from your home screen. Moving on to the Share Sheet integration, open the Settings app on your iPhone to enable Notion in your Share Sheet. Scroll down and tap on Notion from the list of apps. Ensure the Use with Share Sheet option is toggled on. This feature lets you share content from other apps, a web page, a photo, or a document directly into Notion. To use this feature, navigate to any piece of content you'd like to save or share. Tap the share icon, commonly represented by a square with an upward arrow. In the share sheet that appears, look for Notion among the apps listed. If it doesn't show up immediately, you can tap More and then locate Notion. Once found, tap on it, then choose the page or database where you want the content saved. This makes it possible to capture anything you come across online or from other apps into your Notion workspace efficiently. And that's it! By following these steps, you now have Notion widgets right at your fingertips and can swiftly share content to Notion from anywhere on your iPhone. This integration bridges your digital world, making your Notion experience on the iPhone more seamless and incredibly convenient. Thank you for watching and enjoy using Notion with these new enhanced features.